Welcome everyone to the NASA Ames Exploration and Sustainability Expo. Thank you for coming. We'll be having talks all day here on half-hour schedules. I'm sure you may have seen in the program or out front the schedule of events for this building. Of course, over in the other building just across the parking lot, we have about 40 displays from NASA and our NASA Research Park on display for your viewing, and we have a number of the investigators and the technologists there as well, so you can talk with them and learn about what we do here at NASA and how it interacts with our needs to do sustainability and green energy technology development here on Earth. So welcome. And what I'd like to do to get us kicked off here is first introduce our NASA Deputy Associate Director, Dr. Yvonne Pendleton, who will welcome you and get us going. Yvonne.
Hi there. So we have a small crowd over here because the building over there has two things we don't. It has all the exhibits and it has food. So I think it's going to be hard to get people to wander over. But while they're doing that, I would just like to welcome you again and tell you that this is one of the most exciting ways of bringing together what we're doing here at NASA Ames that I can think of. The partnerships that we're going to be showing you today, the showcasing of technology and the new directions that NASA as a whole is going, and Ames in particular, are extremely exciting to me. And I'm just thrilled that we put this all together. So to all the people who had a hand in making today happen, I thank you personally. And I'm here to welcome you on behalf of Pete Warden, our Center Director, who will be here himself later today. And these partnerships and innovative ideas are definitely the brainchild of Pete Warden in many respects, and they get implemented by the excellent team that we have here at the center and with our academic and industrial partners that we've teamed up with. So I hope you enjoy all the exhibits as you go around and see them and see both the breadth as well as the depth of what we're bringing to this crossroads period in our lives. Technology, it really seems to me, is the coming together of both exploration and sustainability. When we talk about sustainability, it's not only just keeping things going, but also improving what you've already built upon. And in terms of exploration, whether you're talking about space, robotics, or human exploration, or looking at the Earth and trying to fix what's wrong here and preparing for a better life ahead, all of those require technology, and all of those technologies require people right at the boundaries of interdisciplinary science and engineering to make the next step forward. The NASA Research Park that we commonly refer to as the NRP is actually a combination of over 50 universities, business and nonprofit partners, and it really provides an intellectual environment in which all of our researchers can come together and exchange ideas and make those next steps forward. This is something that I find really unique here at Ames, and it's something that we should nurture and cherish and advance in every way that we can. Every single person here has a role to play in that effort, and I would encourage all of us to make that one of the highest priorities, trying to advance that collaboration and the innovative thought that goes into what will be just a hallmark of innovative thought for NASA and for our communities. Let's see, I also want to just mention the term sustainability. In a very broad sense, that's just the ability to maintain a certain process or a state. A lot of people say, well, what do you mean by sustainability when you talk about it in terms of what NASA is doing? It's frequently used in connection with biological or human systems, but in an ecological context, sustainability can be defined as the ability of an ecosystem to maintain ecological processes, functions, biodiversity, and productivity into the future. For all of those reasons, we should all care about the technology development going on through this collaborative effort. and sustainability, the ability to continue that forward into the future as we make those improvements, is what will change our lives for the better and will keep our planet healthy. It is a special place in the universe, at the same time allowing us to explore the universe and understand our place in it. Today, you're going to hear from a number of interesting people that are doing a wide variety of research into different topics, such as you'll hear from CEO Tim Collins of CleanSpeed about both his goal of winning Le Mans with an electric car and also the technologies required to make that happen. And those technologies have many new applications. You'll also hear from Unimodal CEO Chris Perkins, and he'll describe the new mass transit transportation system and how it impacts humans. That's just an incredibly exciting exhibit. I got to see it the other day, and I really think this is a wonderful way into the future. University of California, Santa Cruz leader Bill Berry will describe the preliminary concept for the research and development campus here and the consortium of universities that will be built around this sustainable technology theme. You will hear from Dr. Khalid Ali from Carnegie Mellon University, and he will explain the robotic exploration that they're doing and the robots that they're building and the new technologies involved. And from NASA Ames, you'll have a wide variety of presentations from our science side of the house as well as technology. You'll hear from NASA's Lunar Science Director, David Morrison, as he talks about the moon as a window on the Earth. You'll hear about supercomputers and how we're using the state-of-the-art fastest computers here at Ames to make advances that will help humankind. And let's see, you will learn about various small satellites, concepts that we have, and the contribution that Ames makes to NASA's large satellite programs in terms of studying the Earth and looking outward into the universe. So for all of these reasons and many more, I welcome you to a day of intellectual excitement, and I hope that the thought that it provokes is something that stays with you far beyond today. And I hope that you'll join me in this commitment to innovation and collaboration that we here at NASA Ames are pioneering with our partners in industry and academia. Welcome, and thank you all very much.